Are you planning to study in Canada and wondering what medical exams and health requirements you'll need to meet for your student visa in 2024? In this video, we're going to break down the medical exam and health requirements for a Canadian student visa in 2024. We'll cover everything from the general health requirements to the types of medical exams needed, and even provide some tips on how to prepare for your exam. If you're planning to study in Canada, it's essential to understand the medical requirements to ensure a smooth visa application process. So, let's dive right in. Canada welcomes international students from all over the world, and the government wants to ensure that everyone coming into the country is healthy and doesn't pose a risk to public health. That's why medical exams and health requirements are an essential part of the student visa application process. Moving on to the general health requirements, Canada has certain health standards that applicants must meet. These standards are in place to protect public health and ensure that international students can fully participate in their studies without any health-related issues. In our next sections, we'll discuss the specific medical exams required for certain countries and what you need to do to prepare for them. Certain countries require a medical exam as part of the student visa application process. This is usually the case for countries with a higher risk of infectious diseases or where medical care may not be readily available. In these cases, you'll need to undergo a medical exam conducted by a designated panel physician. This is a doctor who has been approved by Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada to perform medical exams for visa applicants. The medical exam is a standard procedure that includes a physical examination, medical history review, and may also include additional tests such as blood work or chest X-rays. You'll need to prepare for your medical exam by gathering all the required documents, including your passport, and any medical records you may have. It's also a good idea to choose a panel physician who has experience with visa medical exams. When choosing a panel physician, you can search online or ask for referrals from friends or family members who have gone through the process before. Make sure to check their credentials and reviews before booking an appointment. The medical exam itself is a straightforward process that usually takes around 30 minutes to an hour. The doctor will review your medical history, perform a physical examination, and may ask you some questions about your health. In some cases, additional tests may be required, such as blood work or chest X-rays. These tests are usually conducted on the same day as the medical exam, and the results will be sent to Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. One of the most common concerns about the medical exam is privacy and the security of health information. Rest assured that all panel physicians are bound by confidentiality agreements, and your health information will not be shared with anyone without your consent. Another question that often comes up is how long it takes to get the medical results. The processing time may vary depending on the country and the type of exam, but in general, it can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. Once you've received your medical results, you can submit them as part of your student visa application. Make sure to check the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada website for the most up-to-date information on medical exam requirements and processing times. In addition to the medical exam, there are other health requirements you'll need to meet to study in Canada. These include vaccinations, health insurance, and proof of immunization. Vaccinations are usually required for certain diseases such as COVID-19, measles, and mumps. You may also need to provide proof of immunization, such as a vaccination record or a letter from your doctor. Health insurance is also a must-have for international students in Canada. This will provide you with coverage for any medical expenses you may incur during your stay. To recap, we've covered the general health requirements for a Canadian student visa, the types of medical exams required, how to prepare for your exam, and the process itself. We've also addressed some common concerns and questions about the medical exam. If you're planning to study in Canada, it's essential to stay informed about the health requirements and medical exam process. This will ensure a smooth visa application process and help you prepare for your studies in Canada. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about the student visa process, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on studying in Canada, and we'll catch you in the next one.